Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to promote Amazon products successfully, and I'll also show you guys the secrets that most people have been missing that makes them not to get commission on Amazon. So without further ado guys, let's dive right into it. Welcome back guys, I'm Chido original and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this channel I teach you guys anything about making money online, so you might consider hitting the red subscribe button below and turning on the bell notification beside it. So today's topic, I'm so excited. I'm going to be showing you guys how to promote Amazon products successfully. And if you didn't watch the first video, how I told you guys to create your Amazon associate account or Amazon affiliate account to be like this, then I'll leave it on the icon above so you can easily access it and watch that video. So your Amazon associate account will look exactly like this. So I'll show you guys how to promote after creating your account. So real quick, just come here, they say product linking, and come and click on product links. If you click on product links, it will load up another interface whereby you can sort or search for products you want to promote and also get the links as well, so you can start promoting. So this is the first step, product search. So this is product search. So come here and search for the product you want to promote. So for example, I want to search for camera. So if you check most YouTube channels, if you go to their description box, you see that they are searching for, they will see Amazon affiliate links like camera, Canon camera, or lens or light and all that. So I'll start with the basics. For example, if you want to promote any camera, so these are the cameras you can see from here. These are some cameras you can start promoting. And what I like to do, if I come to this sort bar, come to here, this sort bar here, click on the featured and come down to customer review. So sort it by customer review. Let me tell you the secret. Anything that requires buying online, it has to do with reviews. Anybody that wants to buy something online will normally go and do reviews before they start buying any product. They don't just come to buy anything. So once you sort the product by the highest product that has the highest positive reviews, it will now sort it by the one that has the best chance to convert. So this is one of the bonus tip I'm going to be showing you guys in this video. So now it has sorted it by the best review. So this one has a very positive, good positive review, followed by this and the rest. So you can scroll down and see some cameras that you can promote. For example, this camera is good. It's called Canon DSLR. So these are very good, can be good for 1,199 USD. So this camera is good and this one is good. So if you want to promote real quick, come here that they say get link. You can click this one if you don't want to go to the complicated version. So this is your unique link. But as you can see, this is quite big and a bit complicated. So if you want to shorten it, come here, they say shorten URL with amzn.2. So click on it to shorten this link. So this is the link that shortened it. So you copy this and start putting out on your social media handles or whatever you want to promote it, so that anybody that clicks on this link and purchase this camera, you get your commission. So likewise, you can promote this Nikon camera as well. So the list goes on. So this is how to go about it. For instance, you can also come here, maybe you want to buy studio lighting, maybe you want to start up a studio section. So I might put studio light here and click on go. So it will search here for studio lighting and I'll sort it by customer review. So by default some features, so click here customer review. So it will sort it by the highest one that people have positive review, that is highly converted. So this is the first one. It's a ring light, right? So this is a ring light. So they have other lights. So let me just start with this basic one. So initially I clicked here to get the link immediately, but if you click on this one that says get link, it will open another interface whereby you can select the banners. Maybe you have a website you promote your affiliate products on, you can actually integrate this. If you have a web developer, they will copy the code and put it on your website. So on your website you have this banner, as you can see, this is a banner. So this Amazon banner and showing the ring light. So if I copy some codes like this and integrate it to my website, on my website page you have this banner by the side depending on where I want to put it. so it might just be by the side. So anybody that going to my through my website can see this and can buy it and shop now. And if they finally make purchase, I'll get a commission. Okay, so come here, they say text only, so you can easily get the text you want. So for this is the text. I can also get this text. If I copy this text and paste it anywhere I want, if anybody click on this text, I'll make a commission. You can make it to standard length. It's a bit shortened, but I'll make it to a very short length. So this is what many people have been using. So if you click on short length, you can copy this, and if I copy this and open a new tab and paste this and go to the page, it will load up this ring light specifically for me, and anybody that make purchase using this particular link, I'll get a commission. How you know that this is actually your affiliate link? As you can see, this is the ring light, but how you know that this is actually your own affiliate link is if you come to the URL and come, you see where they say Chido original 20. If I come here, okay, see it here. So if you can see this, I don't know if you guys can see this. So this is says Chido original, so this is specifically for me. So you see your own username or unique name, right, while registering. If you watch the first video, you understand how I got about this name. So you see it on the URL. That's how you know that this is your specific link. So as you can see, if anybody comes here and sees all this and click on buy now and paste this, I'll get a commission. So I'll show you guys how much commission you'll be getting per product. So this is how to promote any product you want out there. You can go to the product links and search any product that you want to. So that's how it works. So real quick, if you want to know how many commission they issues to you guys, how they just come to this help section and come to where they say commission statement, commission income statement, right here. Click on it and to load up the page. You see how much they pay per commission depending on the item that you are buying. For example, the one that pays the highest is the luxury store beauty Amazon coin. So in case you're a lady out there and you're listening to the sound of my voice, you can start promoting all these luxury beauty products that you guys use, as well as guys also use this type of stuff as well, so they can also promote it. So you get 10% commission. So any product you promote, let's say the product costs 1,000 USD. If you promote it and someone buys it successfully, you get 100 USD for you as a commission. So this gives you 10%. Digital music, physical music, homemade digital video goes 5% commission. So physical book, kitchen, automotives is 4.5. So you can see the categories and how many percentage they are giving in commission. So this is tablet devices, Amazon fashion, women's and other 4%. And mind you, this thing changed over time. Before it was higher than this. Sometimes it drops, sometimes it climbs. Also, you can also refer to this from time to time to know how much commission you'll be getting per product that you promote. So you can see all of them. This one has 0 commission, this one has 1% commission. This is for video games, so it's very low. So if you are promoting video games out there, it's just 1% commission. But other ones like this first one is 10%, which is huge. So you can make a lot of money from it. So go through all this and understand more about the commission based packages that Amazon offers and all that. So real quick, I'll show you guys this another secret, how to sort for products to promote so that you get the highest outcome or income as the case may be. For instance, if you come to products linking, here you can see search for products. For instance, I might search for a laptop here. If I search for a laptop and it brings out the results like this, is the first result. This is Acer Aspire 5. If I copy this particular result, I'll come to keyword planner. I'll leave the link below so you can easily access this wonderful website. Click on discover new keyword. Once you click on it, come here and paste the item you want to research about. Then come here, they say country by default is on Nigeria. I'll click on it. I'll cancel this Nigeria stuff and click on save. So it's now on all locations, right? So I'll come here and click on get results. Once you click on it, so bring out the search monthly volumes. So that's what you are looking at. So this is for Acer Aspire 5. So monthly search volume. If I scroll down, I can see how many people are searching for this particular item per month, so I'll know whether this can actually drive me sales. So per month 368,000 persons are searching for this all over the world. So this is for the whole world and the competition is high. So you can check all these statistics and know how many people are searching for this particular product on Google. So this is for Google Market, so you know how many people are searching for it. So this is actually a good product to promote because it has a high monthly search volume. Every month this amount of people are searching for it. So this particular product, if I come here and get the link, if I come here and click on this and get the shortened version of this link and copy this link and just copy this link, right? So I'll start making reviews. Like I said in the beginning, if anybody buys any product online or anything at all, even courses, they like to listen to a lot of reviews. Reviews is the key. Even on Fiverr, reviews is everything. So once you get much positive reviews, the better for you. So if I come to YouTube, I can easily upload a video that shows you guys how this laptop works. This is an Aspire 5. I can easily show you guys how it works, the good thing about it. I'll just hype it and all that, tell you guys why you guys should buy it, give it a positive feedback, and I'll title it Acer Aspire 5 review. So that's what I'll title it. And on my description box on the YouTube channel, I'll put the URL link that I just generated here, that I just copied here. I'll just copy it and put it on the description. So if you want to buy this product, use this link below on the description. So anybody that clicks on the link, it will take them to the sales page and they can easily buy it. So that's how it works. So you can promote this using YouTube and create a whole channel here, and all you have to do is just to be uploading products on Amazon one by one, doing their reviews and all that. And you can do this without showing your face, just by downloading the pictures of this particular laptop and saying some things in the background, telling them why they should buy, the positive and the good thing about it. So if you come here to the unique link for me, you can see the product here. So you can come to the description or about this item, read what this item is all about. It has a core processor of this, you understand? So just write down these key points and use it on your own language. So this is the description. So I'll just use this and summarize it in a text format and do a video showing them videos as well as pictures about this product, hyping the product itself, telling them to go to the description box and make a purchase. Anybody that makes a purchase, so this is the price. If they make a purchase using this link, I'll get the commission. So that's how it works, guys. So you can promote this on the YouTube channel, or you can start writing blogs. I've shown you guys how to do that, maybe using Medium or using Google Sites. Check it on my channel list. You can see a whole lot of ways to promote your affiliate links and learn way more. You can do it. So you start promoting it out there. So that's how you go about promoting your Amazon products. And trust me, you can come here and search anything at all. They have millions of items you can search for here. Even if I search for screwdriver, I'll still see a product here that you can just promote. So I'm just using, for instance, anything at all you want to start promoting, you can easily come here and search for it and get the link and start promoting it. So that's how it works on Amazon affiliates. So I hope I covered it. If you have any question, any comment, leave it on the description box below. And that being said, guys, I'll see you guys on my next video.